Bonjour tout le monde! Today we are going to be learning some French introductions. Les présentations. Répétez. Les présentations. So first we're going to learn how to say my name is, and the French have several ways to do this. Probably the most common one is je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Literally, it's I myself call. I call myself. Okay? Je m'appelle Suzanne. Je m'appelle Jean. Je m'appelle. My name is. Répétez. Je m'appelle. The second way to say what your name is je suis. Literally, I am. Je suis. I am Sally. I am Nancy. Je suis. Okay? Répétez. Je suis. And a third way to say my name is moi c'est. And so literally that's me. It's, okay, what's your name? Me? It's Marie. Moi c'est. Moi c'est. Répétez. Moi c'est. Then you're going to want to know the other person's name. So there are a couple of ways to say this. There's an informal way that you use with friends and family members. Of course, if they're your friend or family member, you probably already know their name. So in this case, we're probably talking about peers, classmates, people that you've seen but you don't know them well enough to know their name. So now you want to know their name. Et toi, comment t'appelles-tu? So et toi means and you. Et toi, okay. Et in French is often pronounced e, just like we have a lot of words in English that end with et, that's pronounced e, like ballet, bouquet, valet, crochet. Okay, so et toi. Comment t'appelles-tu? What do you call yourself? And you, what do you call yourself? Et toi, comment t'appelles-tu? Okay, répétez. Et toi, comment t'appelles-tu? Et toi, comment t'appelles-tu? There's also a formal form that you would use for speaking to an adult. You want to know an adult's name. So et vous and you is the formal form of and you. And then you might want to add Madame. MME is the abbreviation for Madame. M period is the abbreviation for Monsieur. So, and you, Madam, or and you, Sir, what you call yourself. Okay, what is your name? Et vous, Monsieur? Comment vous appelez-vous? Et vous, Madame? Comment vous appelez-vous? Okay, répétez. Et vous, Madame? Comment vous appelez-vous? Et vous, Monsieur? Comment vous appelez-vous? Let's say you want to say what your last name is. Mon nom de famille est. So literally my name of family is. So my family name is, my surname is. Okay, we normally say my last name is. Mon nom de famille est. Répétez. Mon nom de famille est. If you want to introduce someone to someone else, there are two ways to do that. If the person that you're introducing to is your friend, family member, someone you're very familiar with, you're going to say je te présente, followed by the name of the person that you're introducing them to. If you're speaking to an adult, you would say je vous présente. Okay, so literally that's I present to you, but in English we normally say I'd like to introduce you to. Okay, répétez. Je te présente. Je te présente. Je vous présente. Je vous présente. Let's say you want to say this is my boyfriend or this is my male friend. C'est mon copain. Okay, this is my male friend. Okay, so mon is one of three ways we have in French of saying my. So we're choosing mon this time because it's the masculine form, because it's followed by masculine noun, copain, male friend or boyfriend. Okay, répétez. C'est mon copain. If you want to say this is my girlfriend or my female friend, we're going to change it a little bit. We're still going to start with c'est, but instead of mon, we're going to use ma, which is the feminine form of my, and then copine is girlfriend or female friend. C'est ma copine. Répétez. C'est ma copine. C'est ma copine. Maybe you want to introduce or say that someone is your classmate. This is my classmate. So classmate is invariable. So whether the classmate is masculine or feminine, male or female, you're going to say camarade de classe. But we are going to use the appropriate form of my. So if it's a male classmate, you're going to say c'est mon camarade de classe. If it's a female classmate, you're going to say c'est ma camarade de classe. Okay? Répétez. C'est mon camarade de classe. C'est ma camarade de classe. And after you've been introduced to someone, usually you say something like, nice to meet you, glad to meet you. So one of the ways to say that in French is enchanté. Enchanté. Okay, you'll notice it's written here twice. The top one is the masculine form. The bottom one has an extra E on the end, and that's the feminine form. So they're both pronounced the same way, enchanté, enchanté. But if you're writing it, if it's a male who's writing it, you write it the first way. But if it's a female writing it, then you add the extra E. But again, they're both pronounced the same way. Okay, so nice to meet you, or literally enchanted. I'm enchanted to meet you. Okay, enchanté. Répétez. Enchanté. Enchanté. Okay, that is it for French greetings. Les présentations. Au revoir.